I've always wanted a shower like this. Hi, Ken Payne from Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. I am here in beautiful sunny Portsmouth in a beautiful location called Design House. And I'm sitting here with one of the two resident designers, Lindsey Miley, who along with Jill Robin take care of all your interior design needs. Lindsey, what would you say to people who are nervous of spending a lot of money?
That's a common misconception with interior designers is we cost so much money. If you just want to freshen up a space, you're going to be spending what you want to spend and still get you that vision and that inspiration that you're looking for in your space.
Lindsey, what a great workspace this is. You know, I'm used to seeing concept boards, but these are sort of like pre-concept boards.
Each board here, we call them our mood boards, represents a different room in the house. So you have kids' bedrooms, you have a living room, the kitchen space, so the fabrics, what's going on your couch. We have your area rug, your window treatment fabric, and make it exactly how they like.
So they'd come right in this room and look, I'd be very impressed.
Yeah, that's why this room is so fun. We have so many different fabrics and wallpapers.
You know, the great thing about Design House is that they have room and space to burn. They can even set up a whole bedroom here. That's great because I'm already tired. Lethal weapon. We have plumbing fixtures, we have floor tile, we have mosaic tile, we have a selection of countertop slabs. You can really deal with the whole concept of the kitchen and the bathroom.
It's a lot of fun to do the mood boards in here as well, so we can lay out all the tiles and all of the different materials to see what works together. A lot of other interior designers don't have the retail space that we have here. We're also sister companies with a design build, which is JPS. Jamie Stebbin is our owner. He owns both of our companies, and that really helps us get into the contractor and construction world of things. We have everyone from the architect team to the project managers on site and all of the subs out there in the field.
So here I am in their office. It's an opportunity to show you beautiful cabinetry and built-ins. You know, all you have to do is be in this office and you want to get down to work. Wait a minute, I've got a call. My coffee futures in Brazil, how are they doing?
Excellent choice, Ken. How much you want to go for this time?
And we have our very cool secret door built into the cabinets. So creepy.
Thank you so much for talking to us. I'm very excited that you offer this resource to the island. Ken Payne with Lindsey Miley at Design House, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.